Sugar is a type of food that gives your body energy. When you eat sugar, your stomach breaks it down into small pieces. These pieces go into your blood and travel around your body. Your body needs the sugar to work properly, just like a car needs gas to run. There are two main types of sugar. Simple sugar is found in candy, cookies, and soda. This type of sugar goes into your blood very fast. Complex sugar is found in bread, rice, and vegetables. This type takes more time to get into your blood. Your body has a special helper called insulin. Insulin is like a key that opens doors in your cells. When sugar is in your blood, insulin helps the sugar go inside your cells. Your cells use this sugar to make energy for you to walk, think, and do everything you need to do. When everything works well, you have steady energy all day. But sometimes things go wrong. If you eat too much simple sugar at once, your blood sugar goes up very high, very fast. This can make you feel tired later. Think of it like riding a roller coaster. You go up fast, but then you come down fast too. Your brain also needs sugar to work. Your brain uses about half of all the sugar in your body. Without enough sugar, you cannot think clearly or remember things well. But too much sugar can also be bad for your brain and make you feel confused or sleepy. When you eat something sweet like candy or drink a soda, you might feel really good for a short time. This is called a sugar rush. Your body gets excited because sugar goes into your blood very quickly. It feels like you have more energy and can do anything. During a sugar rush, your heart might beat faster. You might feel awake and happy. Some people feel like they can run around or play more. This happens because your blood sugar levels jump up high very fast. Your body thinks it has lots of fuel to use right away. But this good feeling does not last very long. Scientists have studied this and found that the sugar rush usually only lasts about 30 to 60 minutes. After that, something different happens. Your body starts to work very hard to bring your blood sugar back down to normal. The problem is that simple sugars are like fast-burning paper in a fire. They burn bright and hot, but they burn out quickly. Complex sugars are more like logs of fire. They burn slower, but give you heat for much longer. This is why eating an apple gives you different energy than eating a candy bar. Your body is not designed to handle big amounts of simple sugar all at once. Long ago, people did not have candy stores or soda machines. They got their sugar from fruits and vegetables, which also have fiber and other good things that slow down how fast the sugar gets into the blood. When sugar goes into your blood, it is like cars entering a busy highway. If too many cars try to get on the highway at once, there is a traffic jam. The same thing happens with sugar in your blood. When you eat a lot of sugar quickly, your blood gets crowded with sugar molecules. Your body has sensors that watch your blood sugar all the time. These sensors are like guards who check how much sugar is in your blood every few seconds. When they see too much sugar, they call for help. They tell your pancreas to make more insulin right away. Your pancreas is a small organ in your stomach area. when it gets the message about high blood sugar, it starts working very hard. It makes a lot of insulin very quickly and sends it into your blood. This insulin has to work fast to get all that sugar out of your blood and into your cells. Think of insulin like workers trying to clean up after a big mess. When there is too much sugar in your blood, the insulin workers have to run around very fast to clean it all up. Sometimes they work so hard that they clean up too much sugar. This leaves your blood with less sugar than it should have. When your blood sugar gets too low, you start to feel tired, shaky, or hungry again. Your body is confused because it went from having too much energy to not having enough energy. This up and down pattern is what makes you feel tired after eating sugar. After the sugar rush ends, you experience what is called a sugar crash. This is when you suddenly feel very tired, even more tired than before you ate the sugar. It happens because your blood sugar drops too low after being too high. During a sugar crash, you might feel weak, dizzy, or sleepy. Some people get headaches or feel cranky. You might also feel hungry again, even though you just ate something sweet. This is your body's way of telling you that it needs more steady energy, not more quick sugar. The crash happens because your body made too much insulin to handle all the sugar you ate. Remember, insulin is like workers cleaning up sugar from your blood. Sometimes these workers are so good at their job that they take out more sugar than they should. This leaves you with low blood sugar, which makes you feel bad. Your brain is especially affected by sugar crashes. Since your brain needs sugar to work properly, when your blood sugar drops too low, your brain cannot work as well. This is why you might feel foggy, have trouble thinking, or feel very sleepy during a crash. The worst part about sugar crashes is that they make you want to eat more sugar. When you feel tired and low energy, your body thinks, I need sugar. So you might reach for another candy bar or soda. But this just starts the whole cycle over again. Another rush, followed by another crash. How often you eat sugar during the day is very important for how tired you feel. If you eat sugary foods all day long, your body never gets a break from the sugar roller coaster. You go up and down, which makes you feel tired and cranky. Some people skip meals and then eat a lot of sugar when they finally do eat. This is like not drinking water all day and then trying to drink a whole bucket at once. Your body cannot handle it well. It is much better to eat smaller amounts of food more often throughout the day. When you eat sugar with other foods, it does not hit your blood as hard. For example, if you eat an apple with some peanut butter, the protein and fat in the peanut butter slow down how fast the sugar from the apple gets into your blood. This helps prevent big ups and downs. The timing of when you eat sugar also matters. Eating sugar early in the day gives your body more time to use it for energy. But eating sugar late at night can make it harder to sleep and can make you feel tired the next morning. Your body likes routine. If you eat meals at the same times every day, your body learns when to expect food. This helps keep your blood sugar more steady throughout the day. People who eat at different times every day often have more problems with feeling tired. Sugar can really mess up your sleep, and bad sleep makes you feel tired the next day. When you eat sugar, especially at night, it can make it hard to fall asleep or stay asleep. Your body might be too excited from the sugar to rest properly. Sugar affects hormones in your body that control sleep. One important hormone is called cortisol. When you eat too much sugar, your body makes more cortisol, which is supposed to help you stay awake during the day. But if cortisol is too high at night, you cannot sleep well. Studies show that people who eat a lot of sugar have worse sleep quality. They wake up more often during the night and do not get as much deep sleep. Deep sleep is the most important kind of sleep because it helps your body rest and repair itself. When you do not sleep well, you feel tired the next day. But being tired makes you want to eat more sugar for quick energy. This creates a bad cycle. Sugar makes you sleep poorly. Poor sleep makes you tired, and being tired makes you eat more sugar. Sugar can also make you wake up during the night. When your blood sugar crashes while you are sleeping, it might wake you up feeling hungry, thirsty, or needing to use the bathroom. These wake-ups interrupt your sleep and leave you feeling tired in the morning. Not all sugars are the same. Some types of sugar make you more tired than others. The key difference is between simple sugars and complex sugars and how fast they get into your blood. Simple sugars are found in candy, cookies, soda, and other sweet treats. These sugars are already broken down into small pieces, so they go into your blood very fast. This causes the big ups and downs that make you tired. Examples include white table sugar, high fructose corn syrup, and the sugar in fruit juice. Complex sugars are found in foods like whole grain bread, brown rice, oats, and vegetables. These sugars are stuck together in long chains that take time to break apart. Because they enter your blood slowly, they give you steady energy instead of a quick rush followed by a crash. Even natural sugars can affect you differently. The sugar in whole fruit comes with fiber, which slows down how fast it gets into your blood. But fruit juice has the same sugar without the fiber, so it acts more like simple sugar and can make you tired. Some foods have a mix of simple and complex sugars. For example, white bread is mostly simple sugar, even though it does not taste sweet. Your body breaks it down into sugar very quickly. Whole grain bread has more complex sugars that give you longer-lasting energy. Your body is like a car that can use different types of fuel. Sugar is the easiest fuel to use, but it is not the only one. Your body can also use fat and protein for energy, and these give you more steady energy than sugar does. When you eat sugar, your body uses it first because it is the easiest to use. But when the sugar runs out and you crash, your body has to switch to using other types of fuel. This switch can be hard work and makes you feel tired while it happens. Your muscles and liver can store some sugar for later use. This stored sugar is called glycogen. When your blood sugar gets low, your liver can release some of the stored sugar to help you feel better. But if you eat too much sugar too often, this system does not work as well. Your brain is very picky about fuel. It mostly wants to use sugar and it uses a lot of it. Your brain uses about half of all the sugar in your body every day. This is why low blood sugar makes it hard to think clearly and makes you feel tired and foggy. The best way to keep your energy steady is to eat foods that give your body different types of fuel. Protein from meat, eggs, or beans helps build and repair your body. Healthy fats from nuts and avocados give you long-lasting energy. Complex carbohydrates provide steady fuel for your brain and muscles. Instead of eating sugary foods that make you tired, you can eat foods that give you steady energy all day long. These foods do not cause big ups and downs in your blood sugar, so you feel good for longer periods of time. Protein foods are great for steady energy. These include eggs, chicken, fish, beans, and nuts. Protein takes more energy to digest than sugar, and it helps slow down how fast other foods get into your blood. Eating protein with every meal helps prevent sugar crashes. Whole grains give you complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly. Good choices include oatmeal, brown rice, whole wheat bread, and quinoa. These foods have fiber that slows down digestion and helps keep your blood sugar steady throughout the day. Healthy fats are another great source of steady energy. Nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil contain fats that help you feel full and satisfied for hours. These fats also help slow down how fast sugar gets into your blood when you eat them together. Fruits and vegetables are good sources of natural sugars, but they also have fiber, vitamins, and minerals that your body needs. The fiber in whole fruits help slow down sugar absorption. Good choices include apples, berries, leafy greens, and colorful vegetables. You can make small changes to avoid feeling tired from sugar. The most important thing is to eat balanced meals that include protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates together. This combination helps keep your energy steady. Try to eat something every 3 to 4 hours to keep your blood sugar stable. Do not skip meals, because this makes you more likely to eat too much sugar when you finally do eat. Plan ahead by keeping healthy snacks with you, like nuts, seeds, or fruit with peanut butter. When you do eat something sweet, try to eat it with other foods instead of by itself. For example, if you want cookies, eat them after a meal that includes protein and vegetables. This helps slow down how fast the sugar gets into your blood. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Sometimes when you think you want sugar, you are actually just thirsty. Being dehydrated can make you feel tired and crave sugary foods. Water helps your body process sugar better too. Get enough sleep every night, because being tired makes you crave more sugar. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Avoid eating sugar close to bedtime, as it can make it harder to fall asleep and get good rest. By making these simple changes, you can have more steady energy throughout the day and feel less tired. Remember, it takes time for your body to adjust to eating less sugar, but you will feel much better once you do.